Hello there, and welcome back to my channel, Nail Art by Sin. Today, I am going to be unboxing 11 Maniology monthly subscription boxes that I have just been letting pile up. I purchased the 6-month subscription package, and then I went back and I purchased some subscription boxes that were still available for previous months. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you. Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Nail Art by Sin. Today we're going to be doing unboxing of my Maniology subscription boxes. I am sad to say that I have been letting these pile up because I've been busy with other things on my channel. So this box here, this is August, July, June, May, April, and March. And in this big box, I do have some past Maniology boxes that were still available. So what I'm going to do is put these all down next to me and get them opened one at a time. I'm probably not going to be doing any stamping today with these. I'm just going to show you what's in each of the boxes. And then later on I'll do a couple of videos of using some of the boxes and stamping. So without further ado, let's just get started. All right, so we're going to begin with opening up the August box. And this box is called Sail Away, and it is ocean inspired. So let me just open it up real quick. Okay. And it says, of course you get the 2 postcards in here. Capture the spirit of the open sea with August Mani and Me collection. Set sail on your next Mani adventure with a look that blends breezy beach charm and nautical flair. So there is just some examples of what you can do with the polishes and the stamping plates that are in here. And let's see here. So this is very nice to have, and then it does give you the instructions on how to do stamping if you're not familiar with it. Telling you how to use the plate, and then I guess this one, if I remember correctly, had some little beads in here to create like a ripple effect. Okay. So in the August box, of course, you always get your free little sticker, which is nice. So this is the little bead. It's like a little bead bracelet, I think. No, just a little string of beads that you can create ripples. And these are the 2 stamping polishes. They say nail lacquer on this. I think you can use them as regular polishes as well. And this is like a real pretty silver polish. This one is called Pearl and Anchor P184. And let's open it up and see what it looks like. Very nice. Oh, look how glittery that is. It's beautiful. Really nice polish. Okay, now this one is an actual stamping polish. And let's see here. This one is called Lost at Sea, and it's B558. This looks very pearlish looking. It's a real pretty blue. Oh my goodness, the bottle doesn't do justice to the color. Let me see if I can put some direct light on here so you can see it. Look at that. Absolutely ravishing. Okay, so those are your 2 polishes that you get. And then these are the 2 plates that they say exclusive stamping plates. So this one, I'm not going to take off the little covers until I actually use them, but these have some really awesome nautical designs. Oh, it's got real pretty anchors, little seashells, looks like little waves. It's got a seahorse, lighthouse. And this says seas, hold on, let me see. Oh, it says seize the day right here. This is really nice. It's got some sailboats, sail away, a little boat steering wheel, little seagulls up here. This is a really nice stamping plate. Okay, and then the second stamping plate has some little seashells and little crabs. Wow. It's got a message in a bottle right there. And it says seize, like S-E-A-S, the moment. Little sailboats, palm trees. Both of these are very, very nice. So I really like these. I can't wait to use them. And then on the bottom of the box, it does have a Need Manicure inspiration. You can zoom in with your phone, and I guess it'll give you ideas on what to do. So that is the box for August. Okay. And this is the box for July. And this box is called Vintage Hawaii. Let me put this down on the ground out of my way. Vintage Hawaii. And let me just, this one was already open, so it just kind of popped open. Okay. Of course, you get your little, oops, I left the bead out of the other box. Hold on. These were the beads that came with the other set, the August one. All right, so this is Manny and Me. And it says sunrise over Waikiki. These are just an example of what you can do with the plates. Capture the vintage charm of a Hawaiian sunrise with the sun-kissed glow of coral skies in Manny and Me's Hawaiian Vintage Collection. Bring the serene, tropical elegance of paradise to your nails. That is really nice. I love that. That is very pretty. I don't know if they ran out of their little Maniology sticker they normally put here. Okay, so here is the sticker. Feed your soul, S-O-U-L, with your passion. And in this one, you do get the crystal clear stamper. Let me see if I can open this. Sticking to my gloves. Okay, let's see if we can open this up. Oh, how cute. Look at that. That is really cute. It's a little stamper that is themed to the Hawaiian Village. I'm sorry, I said Hawaiian Village, for the Vintage Hawaiian box. Sorry for the wrapping. Okay, let's see here. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at that. See if I can get more light here on top of me. All right. And you can tell their stampers are really good. This has the cover to protect the bottom of the stamper, the jelly stamper here. But you can also remove it if you need. It just pops right off. So that is really cute. Oops, kind of went through a little bit. There you go. Okay. I'm just going to put it back in the box. Okay, so you get that. And these are the 2 polishes of the month for July. Wow, beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is called Seafoam Swell B554. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. That's a really pretty, like a minty green. And this one, very pearlized, and it is called Sunset Glow. Oh my. They both are just gorgeous. Gorgeous stamping polishes. Let's take a look at, we'll take a look at July's plates. Okay, exclusive stamping plate. And this is Maniology MI55. And this one has some really beautiful floral and just things that you might, just real pretty, like flowers and stuff. Beautiful. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is really cute too. It's got some more little palm trees, a turtle, chill out, little guitars. Really nice plate. July. Let's see. This one is June's box, and June's box is called Retro Glow. It's June 2025. Dream Circuit. Glow on and vibe out. Dream Circle channels neon nostalgia with hazy blends, bold flames, and dreamy 90s symbols, powered by this month's Retro Glow Mani and Me box. There's the idea and inspiration. So, of course, this tells you everything that's in the box. This one does have a little sticker on there. Pull out the inspiration there. Okay, so this one is what the card says this is. This is 149. Okay, the bonus gift is Pure Glow Up Magic, a neon yellow pigment powder. Okay, so it's a pigmented powder. You get the little applicator with it. You do get your little snail dip sticker. Okay, the polishes here are really pretty purple. And this one is B552 VHS Violet. This came off, so there you go. It's a real pretty, like a exquisite purple, like a lavender purple. Then you have this, it's called Beeper Buzz B551. It's like a yellow, like a neon yellow. Love it, love it, love it. All right, now let's see what the plates are. First plate is the inspiration card out here. Oh, that's nice. So that's how they kind of did this right here. And there's the hearts, the different size hearts that you would layer on top of each other to make this design here. This is Maniology plate MX M153. And the second plate is very nice. Oh, I love this little fiery one. It's cute. I love these little hearts too and the stars. And this one is Maniology plate MX M154. Beautiful plates to work with. Okay. So that one was June. Let me get 3 more boxes now. I did a 6-month subscription with them. I think it was $144. And it is time for a renewal. It'll renew on September 1st. So this one is Alright, so here are the next 3 boxes, and this one is May 2025, and it's called Tutti Frutti. Nice. Alright, and here is the it says Lemon Love, and that's your inspiration or maybe an idea. And squeeze the day by adding a splash of sunshine and zest to your fingertips with May's Mani and Me designs. The look is full of citrusy delight, perfect to brighten your day. And then of course it gives you all the steps on the back and the front there. And so here is your sticker. Bloom with Grace. Very nice. And with this one, you are getting the bonus gift is as sweet as can be, a silicone strawberry shaped scraper card holder. So this is to hold your cards in place. And let's see what the polishes look like. Oh, awesome. This one is called Lemon Zest. Beautiful, beautiful green. Oh my God. It is gorgeous. So gorgeous. Can't wait to use that one. Wow. And then this one is a green one, and it is Apple Crisp. Wow. Those two will go very nicely together. And the plates for the month of May are strawberries, leaves, pears. These are really cute. Very, very nice. And the next plate is Maniology MX M152. And this is where the lemons come in. More strawberries and little checks and the different lined and squiggly squares. Cute, cute, cute. Is April 2025, and this is called Timeless Mod. Timeless Mod. Oh, that's cute. There's your inspiration on your possible designs. Very nice. Oh my goodness, okay. There's your Inspire with Every Inch sticker. And this is another powder. And you get another scraper set. A scraper and a set. I'm sorry. A stamper and a scraper set. Goodness. Oh, this is cute too. They're so little. This one's just a plain square little stamper. And then of course you get the scraper with it. I'm not going to open it right now because I've got so many scrapers from them that I've purchased. Okay. And this is the polishes for the month. These little stickers like to come off. Okay. This one is Powder Puff. Beautiful pink. How fun. I love that color. And this one is called Mid Mod Blue B55. Oh, B548. This one was B547. Really nice. Okay. And this one, because this is one of the first boxes for this subscription. Here are the plates, very geometrical shapes and things. Here's the second one. More shapes, very nice. And so then I did get this free from them. For this subscription. Oh, nice. With this one, and this one. This one was Radiate. That's the name of this one. Another purplish lavender color. This is another green. It's different from the other one from the other box. That one is called Blossom. This looks like a periwinkle. It's called Renew. Awesome. You also get a stamping guide with this one. I think I had ordered these extra plates here. That's what it was. This has some swans. Butterflies, butterfly wings, little animals, like little crickets and things. You get your guide on how to do stamping. This was a nice box. Okay. And this one is the March box 2025, and it's called Bloom Revival. There's your inspiration. Okay. Vivid Visions is your free sticker. What is this? This month's bonus gift is a pink heart-shaped dusting brush. Oh, cute. That is cute. heart-shaped dusting brush. How about that? Very nice. Here are the color stamping polishes for the mat. Another green one, like a mint green, and here is a real pretty, it's called Midnight, what does that say? Midnight Mayha. It's a real pretty color. I love how they pair up the colors together, because I wouldn't think to put these two colors together. This one is called Saristo Sage. There's the plate. Real pretty backgrounds. More backgrounds. These are really cute. Those are my 6 months of subscription boxes, and now I'm going to get ready to unbox the big box, which has the actual past boxes that I had purchased. Okay, so these are 5 boxes, past boxes that I did purchase, and we're going to go backwards. Let's see. So this one is February, January, December, November, and then October of 2024. So January, February, and January of 2025, and then December 2024, November, and October is how they go. So we will get started with these. Put these down on the ground to get them out of the way. This one is February of 2025. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. Gilded Gem. Decorate your nails. It says deco, like deco, D-E-C-O. And make them a lavish statement with this Roaring 20s inspired manicure. Nice, nice, nice. And these boxes were available, and I believe they were $30 each, which I thought was a good deal for one of the collection from them. Alright, so here is the sticker that comes with this. This is the design of the nails that they're recommending. Inspired with every inch. And then with this one, you do get the free gift of the month is these, they're silicone, what are they called? Five-piece set of double-ended nail art tools. They're silicone nail art tools. All right, so that's nice to have. And here are the polishes. Ooh, pretty. pretty, pretty, pretty. This is like a plum. This is called Jazzberry B540. I think I'm going to put this up here so I can always, because I notice their stickers on the bottom fall off sometimes. Alright. Very nice plumish color. Okay. And this one is silver screen. Put that one there. It's like another pearl silver. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then the plates for the month are really nice plates. Some of these with the negative space would look good like stained glass, like reverse stamping. Oh, look at those. Really pretty. Okay. This next one is January 2025, and it's called Croquette Valentine. And there's the inspiration. All right. And here's the free sticker, Craft Your Joy. And here's the free gift. So you get some little heart gems. Those are cute. And then the polishes. Oh, I love these pearl colors that they give you. This is called Silk and Satin P174. This one is a nail lacquer. And so basically when they say like a nail lacquer, it's for, you know, the full coverage of the nail. And this one is a stamping plate. This is Pout B539. It's like an orangey red color. Right. And then here are the plates. Really nice plates. And here is the other plate. Both plates are really, really pretty. Okay, this next box is December 2024. Yep. Here's the inspiration. Oh, cute. Step into a pathway to the stars where mystic elegance and celestial dreams collide with Manny and me's magic portals. Okay, and this is the free gift, which is this month. Receive 2 early access polishes, Pearl Prism and Blue Beam, and bonus item is a mini magic portal lotus mat. Okay. Oh, nice. That's a little silicone mat. Maniologies. Now that's cute. I'll use that for sure. Okay. Just a moment while I roll this up. I've got to make sure and get it in there the right way. All right. And the polishes for this, for December 2024. Oh my God, how beautiful. A blue pearl color pearl prism. Oh my God, it looks very holographic. Really nice polish, stamping polish. And this one is the Blue Beam. It's nice. Reminds me of that song that has Blue Beam Ice Cream, Benson Boone's song. It's a cute song. Alright, and then this month's sticker is Dare to Design. And here are the plates. Gorgeous plates. And here's the other plate. It's got a lot of Frenchy nail tips design, so that's cute. Okay, so that was December 2024. Now we're going to do November. This one is called Gingerbread House, November of 2024. So I always try to send you something for the upcoming month. So for November, of course, you're going to get stuff with Christmas stuff on it. That's a cute little inspiration set. Here's some more. This is another powder. It's kind of a white, powdery, glittery powder. Okay. And says Christmas Ginger Snaps. Sprinkle holiday magic and sweetness onto your tips with Manny and Me's gingerbread collection. Blend warm spice tones with sugary textures, creating designs that evoke freshly baked holiday treats. Cute. And here are the 2 polishes. Oh, I love that gingerbread color right there. That is nice. It looks just like a gingerbread would look. And This one is also kind of marshmallowy. That's what the name of it is. Oh, so rich. Look at that. This is I don't know if this is stamping polish. Doesn't even say. I guess you'd have to, oh, no, it does say nail lacquer. So it's another nail polish. Honestly, I don't know if they're nail lacquers. You can stamp with them, I'm not sure. But we would certainly try. I don't think so. Okay. Here are their cute little candy cane stripes. I love that. And then here's her little gingerbreads right here, right there. Cute, cute, cute. Love it. It's November. And the last box I have is October, which we're coming right up on October ourselves again. Here is Be Boldly You. And this is a really cute inspiration there. Berry Companion. Manny and Me's Teddy and Me collection cozies up to the warmth of autumn with a manicure that blends rich golden hues and timeless plaid and adorable fuzzy prints. Oh, how cute. Paw prints. This is the bonus gift of the month, Fuzzy Brown Flocky Nail Powder. That's nice. Oh, I love that. Look at that. That is beautiful. I've done some flocking nail sets and they always turn out so beautiful. Okay, here are the polishes. Oh, nice. Oh, I love that. This one is nice too. This is called Tea Time for the teddy bear. And this is called Canterbury. I love that color. Look at that. Wow. This is a nail lacquer as well. And these are the plates. Cute teddy bears and bows. Oh my God, look how beautiful this is. So awesome. Okay, that's my next project, is to work on stamping nails because I have so many plates. A lot of them are from Maniology, and I have a lot, not just these, I have others. And then I have a lot from Moyu London, and I have a lot of stamping polishes from all over. So I need to do some stamping because it's just sitting there while I've been busy with other things here. All right, so that was the last box, and I'm really happy that you stayed through the entirety of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you back on next videos. Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks so much for visiting my YouTube channel, Nail Art by Sin. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, as this does help our channel out. I'd also like you to visit my other social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and YouTube. Have a blessed day.